good, everybody? Good morning, everybody. We are at Walgreens, and I'm here to share with you guys today's deals. It's a little bit on the slow side. Number one, it's just the economy. Number two, it's the season. Not a lot of people are couponing right now, but that is okay. We're gonna try to show you guys some deals. I'm hoping to have a great haul. Usually when I go in the store, I kind of just walk around and check out the tags and everything and look for other deals. That's usually what I kind of do. So then I'll walk through the store with you guys, show you some deals, come back and film in the car because it's quiet, show you guys my breakdown, and then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys to follow. Also, you guys know me, I'm really trying to push Ibotta rebates, so I'm really trying to figure out what I need to do. I was averaging where I need about 4 a day. So let's see what we can do between here and CVS for Ibotta haul. But otherwise, let's go shopping. The Gillette deal is on sale, so we have the Gillette Foamy. These are on sale, our regular price for $3.29. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off, and then you also get $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2. So you'll pay $4.93 and then get that $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 93 cents or 46 cents each. If you do these ones, the $3.79, you'll end up paying $5.68 with the buy one, get one free. You get your $4 cash rewards, making it $1.68 or just 84 cents each. Here's another Gillette deal that I missed. It is $2.99. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys will pay $4.48 for this, but then you get that $4 cash reward. So this comes out to be just 48 cents for 2 of them. That's 24 cents each. So we have a deal with the Crest toothpaste. We also have a deal for the $3 Oral-B, and then I think the mouthwash, there is one that is $3, so you guys can use that. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up just paying $4, but when you purchase 3 of them, you get a $5 register reward, so 3 of these will come out to be a $1 moneymaker. The Tresemmé is on sale for 2 for $10. You guys want to use that, and there is a digital 5 off of 2, or you can use a insert 5 off of 2 coupon. Then you also want to buy the Crest mouthwash that's on sale for $3. I actually scanned this one, and I actually had a $1 off digital coupon that popped up because our coupons expired from the P&G. So you'll use that $1 off digital coupon. You'll pay $7, but when you purchase 3 items, you'll end up getting a $5 register reward. Comes out to be just $2 or 66 cents each for all 3 items. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. We actually got some printable $1 off coupons from coupons.com. Otherwise, there is 2 $1 off digital coupons that you can use. You'll end up just paying, I lost my spot, $3.98, but when you purchase 2, you get a $4 cash rewards, making these free or like a 2-cent moneymaker. So here we have the one by Poise for $7.79. There's actually a tag here that says there is a $3 off digital coupon. I tried scanning the product and couldn't find it. I just ended up finding it by searching one by Poise. So you're going to use that $3 off digital coupon. You'll pay $4.79, but then there is a $1 rebate when you purchase one, plus when you also purchase it, you get a $1 bonus. So that's $2 back that you get with Ibotta. And then with Shop Kicks, you get 240 kicks just for purchasing the product, which is 96 cents. And with Fetch Rewards, it says here you get 1% cash back. So it just depends on what you want to do. But without the Fetch factored in, this comes out to be just $1.83, which is an okay deal if you guys want to do that deal. The Lysol wipes are on sale for $2.49. We do have some 50-cent off digital coupons if you guys want to use that, just making them $1.99. Otherwise, if you're not brand loyal, the Walgreens brand is also on sale for $1.99, and then you get 5% cash rewards back. To me, they work exactly both the same. Here we have the Snuggle products for $2.99, and I did print off a $1 off printable coupon from, I think it's askyourclean.com. And then we also have the All products for $2.99 with a $1 off printable coupon. You end up going to buy 2 of them, you're going to pay $3.98, but when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $2 cash rewards. It comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So here's a good gift idea if you need some. So the Dr. Teals are on sale for $5, or not on sale. They're just regular price, $5. But you're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $10, and then you get a $4 cash reward, or I think it's a in-store register reward. So these come out to be just $6 or $3 each. Here's an okay deal if you guys like the 6-packs. So these are 2 for $6 when you purchase 2 of them. So you pay $6, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5. So you get $2 back with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $4 for 12 of them, or just 33 cents a can. I kind of like these because then they don't always go to waste if you can't drink a full can like like me and my family do sometimes. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm here to share with you guys some deals. Funny thing is I had something going on at the register. I didn't have a register reward print out. So they have a new manager working in the store and she had no idea how to give points, how to give a thing. She kept scanning my register reward that I received, trying to think she could print out another one. And I said, the one cashier who knows me, she's like, you can just give her points or something like that. And so the manager had to sit there and call another manager to figure out how to do it. She's like, yeah, I can't get, the person's trying to use it, it won't work. I'm like, no, I'm not trying to use it. I'm asking for a new register reward, which sometimes they can scan the items and void it out, or just the points for it. So 15 minutes later, she finally figured it out. I was totally cool about it. I says, well, now you learned something. She's like, yeah. So it was like, you know, things happen, but I have like patience. It's just one thing I do, is I have patience. But the good thing is I was working on everything while I was just sitting there waiting. So here's a great deal if you guys want to do this. It is the Snuggle laundry detergent and the All laundry detergent. These are $2.99. I printed off a $1 off coupon for the Snuggle and a $1 off coupon for the All from, I think it's called Ask Your Clean or Ask to Clean or something like that. Ask. But anyways, my $1 off coupon would not work for the Snuggle, so they had to enter it in. So in case you guys, you know, have a problem with stores like that, you might want to avoid it. But these end up becoming just $1.90, or you get a $2 cash rewards. So it comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each if you guys need to go ahead and get laundry detergent. I always like, you know, stocking up on laundry detergent. So I ended up doing this deal because my husband's all, like, he likes to have a drink every once in a while. And for a while there, he's like, I need ginger ale, I need ginger ale. And like, he always wastes a can. Like, that's what he does. And these cans are so perfect for him. So these were 2 for $6. You guys would get $6, or you pay $6. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta for one. So you basically will get $2 back with Ibotta, making these $4, or, was it? I wrote it down, didn't I? Did I? No, I didn't write it even down. But it's like $4 or 30-something cents a piece. I also received a 25-cent bonus rebate with that for, I think, like completing 3 purchases or something like that. I don't know if it was 3, but I ended up doing that. Now here is a Poise deal, Poise, one by Poise. These were $7.79. You want to use a $3 off digital coupon. You would pay $4.79, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you also receive a $1 bonus rebate with Ibotta. You get 240 points through Shopkicks for just purchasing the product, which is 96 cents. So this comes out to be just, what did I not write this price? Yeah, I did. $1.83 if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Okay. Now here's a great deal for the shaving cream. I got 3 different deals for you. I ended up finding these. Like, these were on a different shelf than the other ones were. But these are $2.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. You'd buy 2 of them, you pay $4.48, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making these just 48 cents or 24 cents each if you want to go ahead and do that. Sorry, I forgot to lock my doors. I ended up buying 2 of this shaving cream. Why can't I find the other one? I ended up buying, yeah, it's right here in my face. I ended up buying 2 of the foamy shaving creams. These were $3.29, buy one, get one 50% off. You'd pay $4.93. Get the $4 cash rewards, making these just 93 cents or 46 cents each. My stepdad loves these, so when he came over last weekend, I gave him a bunch because I'm like, here, there you go, have some shaving cream. And then I also got the other Gillette series shaving cream. This was $3.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. Pay $5.68. receive that $4 cash rewards, making it $168 or 84 cents. I bought 2 of these. I bought 2 of these, and I bought 4 of these all in one transaction. These are buy 2. So anytime you get a deal with the cash rewards where it says buy a buy deal, you can pay with points or cash rewards now, and you will get cash rewards back. And you can do it as many times as you want in as many transactions. You only need to do 1 transaction, but it's up to you guys. That is a deal where you can pay with your cash rewards and keep rotating them. So if you guys have that like spend 30 deal or something where you get $6 back like I had, which I don't think I got mine, you want to check that out. So yes. Okay, so I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste deal. These were $2.99. I used 2 $1 off digital coupons, paid $3.98. You receive a $4 cash rewards, making these free. We also got some printables. If you guys haven't used your printables, there is some printables. I think it's a limit of 1 per print. So if I recommend you guys, what I do is I use Swagbucks and I use MyPoints. They're kind of a sister site. You want to use 2 different browsers, 2 different emails like I do, and I can be able to print from both websites. And then you get points for printing. So like you get paid to print your stuff. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that. So I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste, a Colgate or Oral-B toothbrush, and then I got the scope. These were $3. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used. Paid $4 for it, but then you get a $5 register reward, making this a $1 moneymaker. So if you guys want to stock up on that, go for it. And then I also did the Tresemmé, where I got 2 of the Tresemmés. These were 2 for $10. You pay $10 for these. There is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, or there is a 5 off of 2 insert coupon. And then I ended up getting another one of the Scope mouthwash for $3, and I used a $1 off digital coupon that I just had for the Scope, not the toothpaste. But you'd end up paying $7 for the 3 of these, and you get that $5 register reward, making these just $2 or 66 cents each, which is an okay deal. So yeah, so that was everything that I got, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so that was everything that I got. My total came to $44.38. I ended up doing 2 transactions because of the register reward deal. Like I said, I always pay with points. I always pay with register rewards. But when I factor my total, these don't factor what I actually paid. It's just what my total came to prior to the points. But I did receive $22.32 back of cash rewards. I did the Gillette deal 4 times. The Colgate deal is 1, and then the Snuggle deal is 2, so that's, what's 18? Yeah, 22. I didn't get the bonus thing because for spending 30. I did technically receive 2 $5 register rewards. She just gave me points instead. With Ibotta, I received $4.35. I had a 10-cent any receipt, so technically I got 3 rebates with Ibotta. So I also received a $1 bonus for that Poise deal, and then I received a 25-cent bonus with the ginger ale. So altogether I got $4.35. With Shopkicks, I received 240 points, which is 96 cents. So my grand total came to $6.75, or just for 21 items, 32 cents each. I also did scan my receipt on Fetch, and I got like, what, 20 something cents. So yeah, but for $6.75, I think that's a great deal. I always try to go under 10 bucks. That's what I always try to do. But I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I'm here to share with you guys. I'm going to change up my channel a little bit starting the new year with more reviews and more products other than just couponing, just everything in general. I want to try to share with you guys on saving money with everything. So hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. It's absolutely free, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye.